So today we have Redmi AirDots 2 for unboxing. So I freshly bring a new one for unboxing. So let's open it. So here we can check what we get inside. So here the box of Redmi AirDots 2. So unpack it. We will see, is there? Yes, there is dots inside. So we will check what we get next inside. So there is a plastic headers for AirDots. So it's include a small one and a medium one also. So now we will put it on the side and check what we get next. So here is a quick Chinese manual, so we do not understand it. So here is our Redmi AirDot 2 charging box with two AirDots, right and left, with a notification LED, and there is some specification. So headphone size, charging box size, total weight, charging box batteries 300 mAh, headphone charging time 1.5 hour, charging case time 2 hour, battery life up to 12 hour, but that not least as much. Maximum distance 10 meter, wireless connection Bluetooth 5.0, and charging port is micro USB. So there is a little disappointed because it's modern device, so it must be include like type C, but they include that all micro USB, so it's workable but not that good. So let's open it. So at first look we get two AirDots and a beautiful box. So here is our dot. It's attach and detach very easily. So the physical look of AirDots are pretty normal and decent and beautiful from sides and from back side. They look identical. So we put it back in the box, and here the charging starts, the red light. It's very easy to connect it with the mobile. It doesn't take much time. It's easily connect and pair with the mobile. We have button both on the sides to receive or discard the call. If you double tap the button, a Google Assistant will be open. So now we will check the audio. Hello, mic check. Hello, mic testing. Hello, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Mic testing, mic testing. I think his voice will be clear. So here we have pros of Redmi AirDot 2. Great audio quality, long lasting battery, easy to use and improve design. In cons we have micro USB charging port, which is really disappointing because company in small product do not put that type C port in it. So thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.